Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie, and in today's video I will be doing a cute spooky look, which is going to be a spider look, which is going to be my first time trying to do a spider look. So it's going to be pretty hard, but it's all good because we practice while doing makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. And don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is makeup.by_Leslie. And yeah, let's get into the video. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and so now we're gonna do the eyeshadow look, and I'm gonna just show you guys how to do it. Okay guys, so the palette I will be using is the Morph Jamescharles palette. I'm sorry that's so dirty, but if you're a makeup artist, you know, so nothing can stay perfect. And the other palette I will be using is the gingerbread extra spicy, I believe it's, yeah, palette by Too Faced. I'm sorry if you guys hear any noise in the background. I have my window open, so my neighbors are like talking and stuff. Anyways, the colors I will be using is the black shade from this Jamescharles palette. So I will be packing the black onto my crease right here, like the whole thing, and just pack it so it can look like the illusion of the spider's like body, you know, the stomach. So you just want to pack it like this all over the crease. Now we're gonna use well, I'm gonna use this palette to use a like brownish kind of transition color, and so I could just blend out the harsh lines, not too much because obviously a spider doesn't have brown, I guess, you know. I'm gonna just use this color, so I'm gonna just like blend it a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. Like so. So you want to have something like this, not too much and not too little. It's just gonna look like nice and not too harsh, you know. You want to do the same thing to the other eye, and then do your full face or whatever. So I'm gonna do my full face off camera because you guys have seen me do that a bunch of times. And so yeah, and I will be back for the spider legs. Okay guys, so I finished my full face, which is so cute. It came out so cute. So now we're gonna start with the spiders, the spider legs. And first you want to start by sketching everything out. Always do that, no matter with what. Always sketch everything out. That's one of the biggest rules in art, okay? God, I'm out of breath, baby. To sketch out my legs, I will be using the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright eyeliner. It looks like this, and it's just white. So I will be lining the legs with this, and let's see how this comes out because it's my first time. I'm sorry if this is bothering y'all, but that's my mirror, so yeah. Ooh. Okay guys, so I finished drawing on the spider legs, which they look kind of funky to me, but I don't know. Let's see how this looks. So in order to like get it black and shit, you gotta like fucking use a eyeliner, a black eyeliner obviously, and I'm gonna recommend you guys the eyeliners I will use to do this look. So for this look, I do not recommend anything that looks like this. Hold on. If this is the only thing you got, use it, girl. But if you got other liners, then use the ones I'm gonna recommend in a minute. Don't use anything like this because you can easily mess up with this type of brush and liner. But with these kinds, like eyeliner pens and stuff, you can like, how do you say it? Like, move them around, like you're in control, you know, because you're obviously using your hand to do it, you know. So it's more better than the other one that I just showed. I think I'm gonna use the Better Than Sex one because it's waterproof. To get the nice lines and stuff, you gotta trace like not where the white is, but like on the outside a little bit, but like still tracing it, you know. So I'm gonna try to like show you guys what I mean, but I hope it comes out. Okay, so you see how I did that? Now I'm gonna just press onto my eyebrow because obviously you can't really get a good little like thing. Let's see. Honestly, with this look, you don't have to be the best in makeup because the lines don't have to be perfect. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I drew on my spider with the black liner, and you guys can see I like messed up on some parts, but it's okay. You can always go back and clean it up with some concealer on your brush and just like line and, you know, just clean it up. And so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna just clean up some parts that I messed up in. I just cleaned up the parts that I told you guys that I messed up in, and now we're gonna fill in the little legs with some white. So as you guys can see, I did the whole white part, but now I'm gonna go back with my black eyeliner and going back in to fill in the spots that are missing with black. And I forgot to tell you guys is that I actually did not use the Beauty Creations little pot thing. I actually used the NYX Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner in white. It looks like this. It's actually good. So now I'm gonna just pack some black under my waterline to just like, you know, give the rest of the effect of the spot, the stomach and stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna start doing the shadows, and to do the shadow I'm gonna just use the same Morphe and Jamescharles palette. Like this for example, you're gonna like create the line, the shadow going like this and a little bit like that. And then for this one, you're just gonna create a shadow, 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 shadow. You know what I mean? So I just finished the whole look, and you can actually like just add like some lashes, or if you don't want to, you can just put some mascara and you good. But in this case, I'm gonna just put some lashes on this eye, and I think I'm gonna just leave this one alone. I don't know, I'll see. And for the lips, I will be using Dare to Be Bright gel pencil in Outer Space, which is black, and a Halloween Spirit lipstick in black. I got this last year, so I'm gonna just I'm gonna wear Happy Hour by Beautycreations. So fluffy and cute, you guys. Another thing I forgot to mention is that I know that I told you guys that I was gonna post the whole month of October, but y'all girl was capping. Well, I wasn't reeling, it's just that I got super busy with work, school, and all that stuff. And so I'm gonna just try my best to post more, so I hope you guys don't mind that. And yeah, okay guys, so I finished with the whole look. It looks so cute and dope as fuck. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. And don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is at makeup.by.leslie. And I'm gonna be posting this beautiful look on there, so make sure to head on over there. And yeah, see you guys next week.